So the first thing you're going to do is take a shower so your hair is nice and wet, and then you're going to generously spray leave-in conditioner into your hair. I personally love to use Johnson & Johnson's No More Tangle spray. Now you're going to use a wide tooth comb to make sure there's no knots and your hair is completely smooth. Now you're going to part your hair somewhere where you don't normally part it. Once your hair is completely dry, this is going to add a lot of volume, trust me. So after you comb it out nice and smooth, now it's time to grab an elastic hair tie. Secure your hair in a low, tight ponytail. Now brush it out until it sticks straight and really smooth. Now this is totally optional, but I like to use another leave-in conditioner called Moisture Cure by Matrix just on the ends because it really helps smooth down the cuticle of the hair. Now here comes the twist method. What you're going to do is twist your hair as tight as you can from the scalp all the way to the ends. Now you're just going to let your big curl hang out and dry. I try to shower right before bed so I can sleep with my hair like this. The longer you leave the twist in, the more volume and curls you're going to get. After your hair is completely dry, now we're going to take it out of the ponytail and you're going to part your hair as you normally do. Now run your fingers through the rest of your hair to inject all that volume.